Mami 2015 will present 2 Excellence in Cinema Awards, one to an international personality and one to an Indian. So I'm thrilled to announce that our International Excellence in Cinema Award will be given to the iconic Israeli filmmaker Amos Gitai. In a career spanning more than 4 decades, Gitai has created landmark films and won laurels around the globe, including 2 Palme d'Or nominations. His latest film, Rabin, The Last Day, was premiered at the Venice Film Festival. And we are so delighted that he's going to be here to receive the award on the 29th. Our Indian Excellence in Cinema Award will be given to 2 legendary screenwriters who changed the course of Indian cinema. These 2 created several classics and forced the industry and audience to acknowledge the invaluable contribution of the writer. I'm speaking, of course, of Salim Khan and Javed Akhtar, Salim Javed. I think it's going to be quite a landmark occasion to have the 2 of them there together to get this award. And now, yes, Mrs. Ambani will be co-chair of the Board of Trustees.
The larger vision at JioMami is to engage, entertain, provoke, reveal. We want to create a sort of movie-soaked week that gives you the best in Indian and international cinema. We want to foster cultural exchange. We want to shape a cinematic sensibility. But before and above everything else, we want to celebrate in cinema and the joy that it brings into our lives. JioMami is an inclusive movie feast. Let's have a little glimpse of what we're going to bring to you in 2015.
Anu and Kiran, they both saved this festival for us. And thanks for saving this. Yeah, I think we should be very honest about it, that they both saved it. And only I think a female heart could do this. कोई मेल नहीं आगे आने वाला था. So they are like our Lakshmi, Rani Lakshmi and Jhansi Ki Rani, who saved this festival for this city. Imagine this city without this festival. I mean, एक ही festival था हमारे पास और वो भी चला जाता. Thanks a lot, Kiran and Anu. So we are talking about the tributes over here. So JioMami is an inclusive movie feast. So if horror and blood aren't your thing, you might want to check out the tributes. Our international tribute is to the great French director Agnès Varda, who was given the honorary Palme d'Or this year. Varda, who directed her first film in 1955, is also known as the grandmother of the new wave. Our Indian tribute is to Chetan Anand, who celebrates his 100th birth anniversary this year. Let's have a clap for Chetan ji. We think of Chetan Anand as the man who made the great war film Hakikat. Yes, he did. But his contribution to Hindi cinema goes far beyond that. I remember, Heer Ranjha, which was the made in complete poetry. It was in complete, by Kafi Saab ने जिसका लिखा था, वो पूरी फिल्म शायरी में लिखी गई थी. Yeah. Right from his first film Neecha Nagar, which won an award at Cannes, Chetan Anand's film showed a human touch done in a poetic way. Chetan Anand marched to the sound of his own drum. The Chetan Anand tribute will be curated by author and founding editor of The Wire, Siddharth Bhatia.
How did you guys think of such lovely categories? Because I've never really all these things like experimental films and, for kids, After Dark and all that. This is like a feast for film fans. So, did you guys brainstorm around this? How do you figure out these categories?
Brainstorm is kind of a euphemism, a polite way of saying that we sat and we, of course, fought over every section and bargained with each other. Okay, you can have movie mela so long as I get experimental film and all that kind of negotiation.
Her fear is my really populist taste.
Yeah. So we've done Mandavlis and really we this is our wish list. We really wanted to have and distribution, a market, Dibakar. It's such an exciting thing. This year it's just a one-day thing, and we are hoping it'll, you know, lead to some doors opening for distribution for Indian films, but this is our first sort of commitment towards Mami going the distance and creating a platform for filmmakers to be able to market and distribute their films at the festival.